I wanted to do a quick Stitchfix unboxing. It looks like the total for this one came out to $183.07 after like the purchase credit styling fee of $20 is subtracted. So I guess actually the subtotal was $203.07. But let me show you what came in ours this time. So this cute Barbie t-shirt, super cute. Then this, which it's kind of tangled, but it looks like a little dress with a little like shirt over it. So that's super cute for spring. And then also, whoa, this t-shirt says Cool Girl Athletic Club. And then it looks like black, like yoga type pants, kinda. Or stretchy pants. And then this Love Like sweatshirt. Super cute, it has the hood. And I like the fabric on this yellow like hoodie. That's super cozy and also kind of good for early spring too. I like the fabric, it's really soft. And then let's see what's in here. Looks like it must be a pair of shoes. These are so cute. So it does come with these. Super cute. Really like that. And again, the subtotal on ours was $203.07 if we keep all the items. Also got these pants. There we go. Those are pretty cute. Let's see. Also got this skirt. Super cute. And like an athletic type skirt. And then these stretchy pants. Super cute for spring. And then also this dress. So it says it is We Wander brand. And it's like an athletic, like athleisure type dress. Let me see if it has the like short, like, no, it doesn't look like it does, but it's really cute and I like how soft the fabric is too. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick what was in our Stitch Fix box this month. We did ask for spring items actually. So like this will be super good when it warms up and can pair it with like a t-shirt. And those shoes are really good. We really like these the most actually. So we will see you guys next time.